Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and oh my god, it's getting hot day by day and I've been telling you guys this in every single video. Summer's officially here. It's made a grand entrance and I must say I've been dealing with it pretty well. I'm taking care of my health. I've been hydrating pretty well and also consuming the right kind of food, taking care of my skin really well as well, using the right kind of skincare products. And I feel like talking about skincare, one very essential product throughout the year, not just during summer, but I have been very religious with this and I have been doing good with this particular product is sunscreen. I've been using them on a regular basis and I've also been reapplying it every single time I step out of the house. I carry it along with me as well. So it's kind of hard to find the right kind of sunscreen for your skin. I can understand that. Sometimes it's just a little bit too matte. Sometimes it's hard to blend on your skin. Sometimes it just gives you a very, very intense white cast, like a ghostly look. So I am here to introduce you to a sunscreen that doesn't do any of the above, and I feel like it's been working really well for my skin. So this one is from the brand WishCare and this one is their Invisible Gel Sunscreen. Now coming to the brand itself, WishCare is a brand that is certified by USDA Organics. It's a cruelty-free brand and they believe in not using a lot of unnecessary filler ingredients in their products. So they have very, very specific ingredients that solve a specific purpose, and also these products are free of silicone, sulfates, mineral oil and artificial color. So if you are someone who refrains from using these particular products in your skincare and you believe that they are not good for your skin, you don't really have to worry about it because the products from this particular brand doesn't contain any such ingredients. And also one thing that I really like about this brand is they believe in being responsible towards the environment as well. So they use recycled plastic in their packaging and also responsible packaging. That aside, let's talk about the product itself. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is their WishCare Invisible Gel Sunscreen. It has an SPF of 50 plus and a PA++++ rating, which is really good. It's a really nice squeezy tube packaging, very convenient to actually travel with, fits right in your bag, especially if you want to reapply it throughout the day. It has to be something that fits right in, doesn't leak, doesn't create a havoc in your bag, doesn't create a mess. So this is really nice. You get 50 grams of product and this retails for 550 rupees. A really affordable price point. I always mention this in every single video that I like sunscreens to be really affordable, and it's exactly how I like it to be. Now coming to the texture of this sunscreen itself, it has a nice gel texture which feels really nice and cooling on the skin when you apply it, and it absorbs pretty well. It doesn't really take a lot of time, and you can see from the demo I did take a generous amount of it and applied it on my face, and it didn't really take me a long time to get it to look normal on my face. So you can see it sits well and it doesn't really have any white cast, which I absolutely love. So because it doesn't really have any white cast, this particular sunscreen can be used by all skin tones, and also because it's not heavy, greasy and oily looking on the skin, this is recommended for all skin types. So the brand recommends this for all skin types, irrespective of if you have normal, dry or oily skin. You can use this irrespective of the weather type. So you can use this throughout the year, and I love the way this one feels on my skin. It feels very lightweight and it has a very subtle dewy finish, which I'm absolutely in for. And I feel like it's been working really well for my skin because I don't notice any sort of unevenness in my skin, no uneven tan, and there's no stark pigmentation on my face, which used to happen to me prior when I used to completely ignore sunscreens from my skincare routine. I have been there. I used to be a person who used to not apply moisturizer in the beginning, and then I was like, okay, we need moisturizer. Then I used to skip sunscreen, and now I've been religious with my skincare and I've been really liking it. So I use this along with my other skincare products. It pairs pretty well. So I use this with my usual cleanser, my toner, serums, moisturizer, and then follow it up with this sunscreen. And I feel like it works very well. It's not pilling on my skin, it's not creating any kind of product buildup, and because it has that subtle dewy finish, you don't really have to use a very, very heavy duty moisturizer, and you don't really have to go heavy handed with a moisturizer because this doesn't strip your skin out, it doesn't dry your skin out. And it also pairs pretty well with my makeup products, which I absolutely love. If in case I'm stepping out during the daytime, I don't rely on the SPF present in makeup, so I want an additional protection, so I use this one, and it works just fine with most of my makeup products. It just blends seamlessly, like you see today as well. I just use a very little amount of concealer all over my face, and it looks beautiful. And then coming to the ingredients of this sunscreen, it is a broad spectrum sunscreen, like I mentioned, and this sunscreen has really good UVA, UVB filters like Tinosorb S, Tinosorb M, which are finding use in sunscreens a lot more these days, and they are really good ingredients that protect your skin from sun damage and also stabilize other filters present in the sunscreen. And apart from that, it also has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide and some really good ingredients like 1% hyaluronic acid, really good for hydration, especially if you have dry skin. This particular ingredient is loved by people with all skin types. I'm just talking about it from my perspective because I have normal to dry skin. And then it also has raspberry fruit extract, which is a really good source of antioxidant, and it also has green tea, which is a good anti-inflammatory ingredient, and it also has shea butter and cocoa butter. So nicely packed. And this is a hybrid sunscreen. It has physical sunscreen filters as well as chemical filters in it, but it is free of oxybenzone, homosalate and OMC. So again, if you are skeptical of these particular ingredients and are worried and you refrain from using sunscreens that have these particular ingredients, need not worry, because this sunscreen doesn't have these ingredients in it. And also, this is a certified product. I will be attaching a lab report of the WishCare sunscreen so you can see it for yourself and make an informed decision yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk to you guys about this particular product. I will leave the product link in the description box below so you can check it out with the link that I have left in the description box below. And so yeah, while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye.